Absolute cubing legends, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to solve the Fischer Cube's parity case. Thanks for watching, and if this helps you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Oh, and if you don't have a Fischer Cube yet, you can buy one using the link below in the description. This is the same parity case that occurs in both versions of the barrel cube. The reason this parity case occurs is because the middle layer edge pieces. They are symmetrical, and so you have no possible way of knowing if they are inserted correctly or wrong. As a result of this, one of the edge pieces in the final layer can be flipped. To fix this, you need to do the following algorithm with the last layer on top. You can do it from any side. The algorithm is right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted, up, front inverted, up inverted, front. As you can see, now you can solve the Fischer Cube just like a normal 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Let me show you. Now, as you can see, all of the last layer edge pieces are flipped correctly, and you can solve the corners and permutate the edges just like a normal cube. Thanks for watching, and if I helped you in this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. See you next time.